Hello mga ka-UVG, welcome to my channel. Tingnan natin kung anong ganap. Anong ganap sa'yo mga Virgings? Kamusta kayo dyan? Maraming salamat po pala sa mga new subscriber natin, sa mga nag-share, sa mga nag-like, at saka nag-comment. Thank you so much po Virgo, laking tulong. Para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. Maaring energy nyo na po ang ma-pick up ko, so let's see. Anong ganap sa aking mga Virgings viewers, mga UVG dyan? So let's see. What do we have for my Virgos viewers? Happy birthday, Virgos. Happy birthday, Virgos. You have the Six of Wands. Sorry. Eight of Wands, upright. Virgo. Eight of Wands, upright. Communication. Page of Swords. Upright, sorry. The Hermit card, Virgo. This is you. Maybe, but we'll see. Merong communication coming in, Virgo. Makakatanggap ka ng communication messages. So, unstoppable din tong ano natin, hindi din to titigil. Eight of Wands para sa akin is a fast communication and taking action, Virgo. Page of Swords for me is a spying card or exploring something. Curiosity card for me. Okay. Exploring something through internet. Pasensya na po para po sa mga reader dyan. May iba-iba pong perception what I mean. Ang mga reader. Okay, so don't shoot the messenger. Para po sa akin, intuitively, ang Page of Swords is spying, studying something, kids mo, kabargings. So, let's see. Virgo, may nag-i-spy sa'yo dito. Yun na lang ang masasabi ko. Pero ika-clarify ko pa to. I will make sure that this is someone is spying on you, or maybe you're spying someone, or maybe you're just studying on something. Baka meron ka lang pinag-aaralan or meron ka lang hinahanap sa internet. I don't know. Okay. So, kung makikita mo to, action, communication, okay. And someone, merong naghahanap sa'yo dito, Virgo. Ba't ka niya hinahanap? Or bakit ka naghahanap on something or someone? Basta meron ditong regarding saan, Hierophant card. All about legalities, all about, I don't know. Basta meron ka dito communication coming in, Virgo. Either ikaw ang gusto makipag-communicate or someone wants to communicate with you. Basta tingnan natin kung ano ang clarification, Virgo. Eight of Wands. Clarify the Eight of Wands, please. What is the Eight of Wands for my Virgo? Communication, taking action. Communication, back and forth sa akin yan eh. What I mean is, nagre-reply ka din. Nahulog ang Seven of Swords. Wait lang, Virgo. Nahulog ang Seven of Swords, Virgo. Ayaw niyang mabilong sa card. Tingnan natin. Clarify the Eight of Wands, please. Eight of Wands. Five of Cups. The Hierophant again, Virgo. This is all about, ang Hierophant kasi is commitment. Hierophant kasi para sa meaning of the card. Okay. Kontrata, kasunduan, all about legalities, all about paperwork, religion. Okay. Pero we'll see. Clarify mo. Page of Cups. Five of Cups to the Page of Cups, Virgo. And the Tower card. Very unexpected. There is an unexpected offer here, Virgo, with the Page of Cups. Unexpectedly. Very unexpected, Virgo. There is a communication. Someone here is feeling regretful about the commitment or about the contract, Virgo. Di ko alam kung sino yan sa'yo. Clarify the Hierophant more. Oh my goodness. Itatago ko lang siya. Kasi walang damit. Clarify the higher want more. Oh, dang. Expect some communication dito, Virgo, about sa balikan. Yun lang ang nasasabi ko. Kasi this person is very regretful. Hindi ko alam niya, merong mga viewers kasi na nagsasabi yung point ko daw is paulit-ulit. What I mean is yun ang lumalabas, wala po akong magagawa. Okay. Wala po akong magagawa. Ganun ang lumalabas eh. Kahit na i-convert ko to sa, eto na naman tayo eh. Eto na naman tayo eh. Kala nyo ba kayo lang na ano, meron nag-comment sa ano, wala na daw bang ibang point? Sabi ko, anong magagawa ko? Eh, yun lang yung point dito eh. Yun ang lumalabas eh. Wala nga naman na ibang sabihin ko. Si Chak Minday tsaka si Butcho Bodoy. Ano ba naman yan? Diyos ko Lord. Bago kayo mag-comment, pakiisip naman muna. Grabe naman kayo. Kayo kaya dito? So, know you know. Okay. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito with the Eight of Wands, merong communication coming in. This person is very regretful of their action. Sa action, past action, hindi ko alam either way, maaaring ikaw or the person that you're connecting with, Virgo. But this is definitely a commitment na naudlot or commitment na hindi with the Queen of Cups. Someone it is very merong situation dito na very unexpected, Virgo. Okay. But I think, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nang-reject or someone. Kasi 5 of Cups, 4 of Cups is a rejection or miss opportunity for me. And then, run into the 5 of Cups. 4 to the 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups is already regretful, feeling rejected, scarcity mindset, very sad. But there is an expected coming back. I don't know if this is a coming back, Virgo. May communication na magte-take place dito. 3 of Pentacles, definitely. Partnership, Virgings. Ay, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, hindi ko alam kung boss to sa'yo or what or something. The Lover's cards for me, it doesn't have to be love life or doesn't have to be your... but, okay. Kaya nga tinawag na Lover's card, diba? The Lovers. What I mean is maybe yung gusto mong gawin or maybe yung second family mo. What I mean is yung trabaho mo. Maybe this is a boss. Okay. So, maybe this is for your career. O, pinipilit ko na. May viewers dyan na, ano, naghahanap ng ibang anggulo. Depende sa'yo yan, kasi 3 of Pentacles lumabas. Kung lumabas ang 3 of Pentacles, maybe this is a partnership regarding sa career mo. Hindi ko alam kung anong department sa'yo yan. Maybe this is a love career, a love department, or career department, family department, pero I don't think so. Pero, meron kasi ditong ano eh, the Lover's card. Ibig sabihin ng the Lover's card, decision making for me. Kailangan mong tahakin, kung kailangan mong magdesisyon ng isang desisyon, papunta sa isa pang desisyon. Gets mo, Virgo? With the Queen of Cups. Meron talaga dito makikapag-communicate sa'yo. Okay, na sayang, napakasayang, kaya baka pwedeng pag-isipan mo. This is a very unexpected offer with the Page of Cups. Unexpected offer. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung... Ay, clarify the 5 of Cups. 5 of Swords. Diyos ko, Lord. Ano pa? Ang daming 8 of Wands ulit. Ang dami namang katanungan ito. Anong nangyari? Ano ba talaga? Ano ba? Sabihan mo ba sa akin? Ano, bakit hindi mo tinanggap yung offer ko? Bakit ba ayaw mo? Ayaw mo makipag-partnership sa akin? Ano bang nagawa ko? Meron ba akong ano? Something or someone? Magsabi ka lang. Kind of energy dito, Virgo. Magsabi ka lang, sabihin mo sa akin straight, di ba sinabi ko na straight sa'yo with the 5 of Cups? Kaya nga feeling sad, hindi ko alam kung nag-stop communication ka dito, Virgo, basta may confrontation dito with the 5 of Swords, drama, nagdadrama siya out of sadness, malungkot kasi siya, hindi ko alam kung sino to, Virgo, basta merong communication napakalakas, dalawa ng 8 of Wands mo, 8 to the 8 of Wands, and this person, pagkikreate siya ng drama, ang dami niya sasabihin, and I don't know, this is very unexpected, Virgo, out of the blue. Clarify the lover's card. Puro communication. Expect some communication, Virgo. Bahala ka. Maybe unknown number. Kung anong social media platform meron ka, magpapop out lang, no? Mag-i-initiate or mag-i-insist to ng ano. Makulit to eh. Sa tingin ko lang, parang feeling ko makulit siya. Pages eh. Page of Cups and the Page of Wands. Which means, meron siyang immaturity. Napaka-immature. Okay, pero kung magpa-pop out ang Queen of Cups, what I mean is gusto nito with the Hierophant card and the Three of Pentacles, parang feeling ko inaasahan niya or hinahanap niya yung compassion mo. I think na-experience na ng taong to eh. Basta ang kulit niya, pre. Ang kulit niya, mag-i-insist siya dito talaga ng communication, mag-ano talaga siya dito ng partnership, with the lover's card, magdesisyon ka, okay? Kaya inang yan, nakapag-desisyon ka, parang feeling ko nakapag-desisyon ka na dito eh. Pero pagpupumilit pa rin to. Hindi mo rin to inaasahan. Kasi parang feeling ko ano na to sa'yo. Tapos may drama, magkukumprontahan. Ano ba bang kukumprontahin? Hindi ba very clear yung action ko with the Eight of Wands? Okay. Hindi pa rin sa kanya, this person doesn't accept, hindi siya makatanggap ng no for an answer. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong klase itong dinidil mo, Virgo, but this person is very immature. Okay, hindi mo naman siguro ito bibitawan kung wala tong ano eh. Clarify then. Two of Wands. Kita mo na, silip mo na kung anong-ano mo dito magiging future mo sa taong to. Kaya mo siguro to binatawan kasi silip mo na. Alam mo kung ano ang galawan nitong taong to. This person is offering you a commitment, Virgo. Okay. Pero hindi naman siguro lalabas ang Five of Cups at saka Five of Swords kung di mo to reject. Kita mo na yung sarili mo dito kaya siguro hindi mo na kinausap. Or maybe dead man na lang pero mag-i-initiate pa rin to. As in, talagang mag-i-initiate siya. Hanapin ka, hindi siya titigil. Ang kulit, day. Ang kulit. Di ko alam kung sino para sa'yo yan. Basta yan ang nakikita ko. Kaya siguro tayo dito mayroong spying card. Ni-spyan ka rin ito. Ay, meron pa tayong Hierophant sa bottom of the deck. Overall energy. This person is, kung sino man tong person na to, gusto niyang mag-commit or gusto niyang, hindi ko alam kung sinabi niya sa'yo, pero parang feeling ko nakikita mo kasi sarili mo. Nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa taong to. Kaya siguro, no, 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 no. Merong something inside of you na nagsasabi ng no para sa person na to. Kung mag-o-offer man siya ng commitment or kontrata or what or something. Meron kang intuition na kasi hindi ka mag-action ng ganyan eh. Five of Cups tsaka Five of Cups. Hindi siya magkakaroon ng feeling na gato kung hindi mo siya inaksyonan ng binitawan or dinedma, hindi mo siya gagantuhin. Hindi siya makaka-feel ng ganitong feeling. Five of Swords and the Five of Cups. Definitely this person feeling rejected by you. Napakalungkot niya, lalo na sa commitment card. Gusto niya ng commitment pero feeling rejected. Hindi ko alam kung kinausap mo to. Basta nakita mo na kasi sarili mo dito. One foot in, one foot out ka na. Pero dalawang Eight of Swords mo eh. So, this person talaga communication. Bahala ka dyan. Pag dumating ng communication na to, let me know. Hindi ko alam kung naganap na, magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Basta this is very unexpected with the Tower card. Partnership ang hinahanap nito. Yun ang gusto niyang mangyari. Tagal na siguro siyang nagre-request dito ng partnership sa'yo pero para bagang feeling mo madrama siya, ang dami niyang alam, ang dami niyang sinasabi with the Five of Swords. Five of Swords ay confrontation card, drama card. So, bahala ka dyan, bro. Bahala ka kung saan ka dyan lalagay. Bahala ka kung saan ka magre-resonate dyan. Tingnan natin sa Page of Swords. Kaya siguro meron tayong spying card dito. Mhm. King of Swords to the Ace of Cups, got them. To the Ace of Swords, wow. To the Ace of Pentacles, Virgo, this person, or ikaw, you cut this person off. I think, in some social media or some platform, block to sa'yo. Naka-block to sa'yo, you speak your truth, and this person feels that you are starting somewhere else. I think, itong person na to, nararamdaman niya na mag-i-start ka nang wala siya. Ayaw niyang mag-start ka nang wala siya, Bergings. Gusto niya nandun siya. Oh my God, ano ba to? Pasensya na po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate. Better luck next time. Pero para po sa mga nafe-feel nyo merong spying something going on dito, or mga new account, or mga, basta nag-create ng mga new account dito, mga fake account, what I mean. With the Ace of Swords and the Queen, and the Ace of Pentacles, meron ka ditong business, Virgo. Meron ka dito something you are ready to a new beginning, new job, new love, new all about new. Tatlong ace. So. Puro bago to. Okay, so kung mayroon ka man kailangan i-cut off, i-cut off mo talaga with the King of Swords. King of Swords is a very smart mover, very intellect person. I think kung puso ka dati, ngayon utak ka na. So, I don't think so kung papasa pa to sa'yo. But I think, ang dami mong new beginning dito. Ace of Cups, this is a new love. Hindi ko alam kung new love, bibigyan ka ng new partnership dito. Pero para sa akin, sometimes it can represent self-love, Virgo. Ace of Pentacles, new opportunity, open doors, abundance, and finances, and generational kind of something. And the Ace of Swords, this is an aha moment, epiphany, ideas, Virgo. Puro aces, so tatlong ace sa isang lapag. Meron ditong nag-i-spy sa'yo na ito ang nakikita sa'yo, you are starting something new. All about new. Yung, maybe, nakikita nitong taong to, hindi niya matanggap na kinat off mo na siya with the King of Swords, or maybe iniisip niya, kala mo mautak ka, hindi ako titigil, uy, yun siguro ang iniisip niya, workings. Hindi niya hayaang mag-start ka on somewhere else na without this person, or without, hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Parang lenta naman tong king ina na to. Napaka-immature niya actually. Kung sino man yan, hindi ko alam kung ito at saka ito related. Pero kung sino man yung nag-i-spy dito. Kasi merong communication dun, no? Dalawang 8 of Wands mo, Virgo. Dalawang 8 of Wands mo, this person is feeling rejected. Gusto niyang magkaroon ng commitment sa'yo with a higher vanguard. Pero nakikita mo na yung sarili mo sa kanya pagdating sa partnership. Because I think you know this person better. I don't know. With the Hermit card is being here. Silip mo na siya with the 2 of Wands. 1 foot in, 1 foot out ka na sa kanya for a very long time. And then, this person will come back around with the Tower card. Very unexpected. Expect some communication with the Page of Wands. Napaka-immature ng communication niya. I think, para bagang, I don't know, pero I think kinat off mo na to with the page. Blinak mo to in some of your social media, Virgo. Dinilit mo to. Okay. You are starting something new here for yourself. Okay. You are embodying the King of Swords. King of Swords character, very smart mover, head over heart person. Okay. Kung hindi ka naman siguro magiging King of Swords kung hindi ka dumaan sa heartbreak, 'di ba? Or lesson, or ano pa man ang kailangan mo pagdaanan, Dark Night of the Soul or what or something. King of Swords is straight cut, clean cut. Okay. So yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa second row. Let's just see the Hermit card. Clarify the Hermit for me, for my Virgo. Ayaw niya talagang mapag-iwanan. Yun ang masasabi ko, ayaw niyang mapag-iwanan mo, Virgings. Ayaw niyang mapag-iwanan dito. Gusto niya, ano ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng mentality meron tong taong to. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi niya sa'yo, or ipapaalam niya sa'yo, or what or something. Page of Pentacles, King of Wands, the Emperor card, and the Three of Cups, King, may, sorry. Virgo, ang the Hermit card dito, clarified by the Page of Pentacles at King of Wands. May reconciliation din ako nakita with the Three of Cups and the Emperor card. I think you are going to reconcile with someone, or maybe someone wants to reconcile with you. Page of Pentacles is a small gesture, small gift. Oh, the Moon card. Hindi ko alam kung meron ka ditong with the boss energy. Hindi ko alam kung employer mo, or hindi ko alam kung boss mo or something. Pero you don't want it to be like, hindi, ayaw mong ipaalam. Ayaw mong ipaalam to. With the King of Cups. God damn, ang daming people dito. Ang daming person na involved. There is a 3 person here, Virgo. 3%, hindi, sa energy wala naman tayong gender eh. So, bahala kayo kung lalaki kang nanonood nito. Wala tayong gender sa energy. Pag sinabing Emperor card, maybe this person is a commander, demanding. Ang King of Wands is a go-getter card. The same thing with the Emperor card. But the King of Cups is a loving card. It's all about emotion card. Pero there's something hidden here sa tatlong taong to. Hindi ko alam kung you're connecting with someone here, Virgo. Um, pero tong King of Wands na to, with the Hermit, ikaw to Virgo eh, itong Hermit card. Meron ka ditong kinakausap na tatlong tao. Hindi ko alam kung kanino ka magre-reconcile. Meron kang i-reconcile dito, fire sign, malakas, tsaka water sign. Okay. May magre-regalo sa'yo dito with the Page of Pentacles. This is gesture, a gift, or a new beginning, or maybe small. Start something with small. Maliit lang siya, hindi siya ganun ano. Pero I think with the Moon card, this is hidden. Hindi mo to pinapaalam na nagko-communicate ka sa tatlong to or may kinakausap ka. Sorry to say, Virgo. But you're just, ang purpose mo naman, meron ka lang gustong malaman, no? Okay. Pero definitely may magre-regalo sa'yo dito or may magbibigay ng, hindi naman siguro regalo, maybe. Mga words of appreciation or words of basta, something small, not that much. Hindi naman ganun kalaki, pero offer maybe, maliit na offer. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng offer. Basta may mag-o-offer dito, Virgo. Itong King of Wands, mag-o-offer siya ng something na alam niyang ikakatuwa mo. And then, you are communicating with an Emperor card. Gustong makipagkita nito sa'yo with the Three of Cups. Gusto niyang makipag-reconcile sa'yo or makipag-partnership. Okay? Or gusto kanyang ayain sa labas para mag-usap. Hindi ko alam kung anong boss to. Regarding sa ano to. Clarify the Three of Cups. Eight of Cups. You walk away with this person. And the Page of Swords. This person is spying on you. And the Magician card. Dang. Virgo, meron kang iniwan na trabaho dito. And I think, sandali lang. Sorry, Virging. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Meron ka ditong boss energy na nag-walk away ka or hindi ko naman sinabing reject mo, but there is something here about the boss energy. Virgo, this person is, hindi ko alam kung boss mo dati or boss mo ngayon, but this person is manifesting you. Nag-i-inquire siya regarding sa'yo. I think you walk away with this boss energy here. Nag-walk away ka pero gusto niyang makipag-reconcile sa'yo, Virgo. Gusto niyang alamin kung anong plano mo, Virgo. With the Magician card and the Page of Swords. Nag-i-inquire siya sa mga kung sino man ang pwede niyang ma-inquirean regarding sa'yo, Virgo. And there is something here with the Moon card and the King of Cups. You are communicating with someone as well. There's a 3 person here kasi meron tayong Hierophant in the overall energy. Okay, so yeah. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, that is definitely with the 7 of Pentacles waiting. May naghihintay sa'yo, Virgo. Hindi ko alam. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga resonate just let me know. Merong naghihintay sa'yo dito, Virgo, kasi meron ditong offer sa'yo regarding sa kontrata, regarding sa commitment, boss energy man yan, sa trabaho man yan, or sa pag-ibig man yan. Both sides. Dalawang naghihintay sa'yo dito. I think kailangan mo gumawa ng desisyon kasi nakikita mo, na visualize mo yung sarili mo dito that moving towards newness. Okay, so all about new beginning, new love, all about new. Gusto mo bago lahat. Okay. Ayaw mong magstay sa, ayaw mong magstay sa, tawag niyan, sabihin natin environment na alam mong, pero marami ka din naman relation sa environment na yan. What I mean is, gusto mo all about newness. New about finances, new about ideas, new about love, maybe loving yourself, basta all about new. And someone is aware, merong aware dito, na you are starting something here. Okay. Starting newness. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, let's see what is the advice for my Virgo, please. What is the advice? What is the advice for my Virgo? Saan siya na Virgo sa disturbo? Ano ba yan? A time to give rather than to take, Virgo. The energy is gaining momentum. And take time to breathe out. So, Virgo, bahala ka kung saan ka dyan makaka-resonate. Okay? So, maybe yung mga people na nag-take for granted sa'yo before, I think they are willing to give now. A personal issues reaches resolution, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko. Kung ano man yung mga personal issues mo, Virgo, it will come into the surface. Mariresolusyonan yan. So, tingnan natin, Virgo, kung anong angel message number sa'yo. Angel message for my Virgo, please. Angel message for my Virgo. Angel message for my Virgings. Sana ba naka-resonate kayo? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, 29293. So, 293 Virgo, angel message number. I-google mo yan, 293. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.